Okay guys, welcome back to another product video here at Bentech. Next to me here we have a cabinet we have recently designed and fabricated here in-house for one of our valued clients. And this is one of a much larger order that they are implementing at their site. So the cabinet, fully lockable, quite heavy duty. As you can see, has plenty of storage as per the client's request. One of the sales team and the design team worked quite closely with the client on this one to implement some features that they needed. That being one side full for shelving and this side here with some adjustable shelving for drawings and things like that. So when the teams are on site doing what they need to do, this works for them and how they operate. This drawer here slides right out to be able to place drawings, plans, things like that on. And these clips here enable it to come down and again, give them a nice, easy view to be able to do what they need to do. Works really, really well. Heavy duty, really good quality, and works as it should. As I said before, it's fully lockable and done per the client's request in the red. So this is something that we're really good at here at Bentech, is sort of working with the client, developing a solution that they need that works for what they want to do. So if you want to learn a little bit more about something like this, a cabinet, or anything else that we do, reach out to the team today and we'll be happy to discuss it with you.